Presenting the 18.5V Lithium Vacuum Cleaner from Beldray. A cordless and adaptable vacuum cleaner with a powerful 18.5V motor. In upright mode, the vacuum cleaner can be used on virtually any floor surface. And its powered electric brush helps to pick up dust and dirt with ease. Having no cables means that cleaning stairs is easy. You can go seamlessly from room to room without messing with wires. For those tougher areas, you can switch to turbo mode for extra power. Or left on normal mode for longer usage. The powered floor head has a 180-degree swivel design for extra maneuverability. And because it's cordless, you don't have to untangle any cables. You can easily switch to handheld mode for added convenience and use either the crevice tool or the upholstery brush. Because it's battery powered, using the vac outside is easy. In between uses, simply store the cleaner and accessories in the charging base. And you can even fold down the handle for more compact storage. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to 45 minutes. And because the battery uses lithium-ion technology, it has a longer lifespan and can deliver plenty of power when it's needed. When the 500ml container is full, it's very easy to empty. So for powerful cordless convenience, try the 18.5V Lithium Vacuum Cleaner from Beldray.